Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a standard range battery and has four-wheel drive capabilities and comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, tow hitch with that nice backup camera. We do get a nice tailgate step as well, a bed camera, the nice lightning lights with the lightning logo right next to it, a nice black platform gripped running board with a side view camera, got some lights, blind spot detection. This is where you plug in your vehicle, which is pretty nice, lock it into place, all that jazz. And we got that signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the grille with two recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice front end. This vehicle does come with the automatic powered Frunk, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which allows you to have plenty of access to storage. You got some onboarding outlets right here that you can turn on and off, windshield washer fluid, hooks and doodads hold your gear down. You can escape through there. You can turn on your lights as well, which is pretty handy, and you do get your storage underneath with your mobile power cord. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space with a carpet interior as well. We got some cup holders. We do get some outlets back here as well. 120 volt outlet, split folding rear bench as well, which allows you to have easier access to storage, and you do get some storage right there as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly powered seats, with that being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Lights, frunk, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 121 kilometers. We do have this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone-in media, volume voice, and cruise control. We do get a digital speedometer with this vehicle as well, with my view, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select that is collapsible. You got storage here, cup holders, more storage in front. Got your center console here. That is locked apparently, but you do get quite a bit of storage there. You have the trailer brake, engine start stop, and Protrailer assist with heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here. And looking here, we got a 360 view of your vehicle, and you can go through different camera settings. We're going to look at the bed one. Pretty nice, so you can keep your eye on your bed equipment, all that jazz. Going to click out of that. You have your hazards and traction. We do get drive modes with normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one pedal drive, hill descent, locking differential, all that jazz. You got your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone connectivities, navigation, fave apps, Pro Power Onboard, zone lighting, drive modes, charge settings, and any apps you may download. Show up right here with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you do get public charging, which will tell you your nearest charging, which is pretty handy, especially if you're in need of one. Got your settings, which is your normal vehicle settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG06802, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.